Hey y'all, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? I might as well show you some rain. Some rain gameplay in it. Rain. You know what I'm saying? Rain. Rain in it. You gotta make it rain. Cause it will be. Yeah. Oh man. Fucking hell, man. I drink so much water. I don't really feel good right now, bro. What about you? How do you motherfuckers feel? You cool? You know my brother, he bought a dog and had parasites and I have to take medications for that, bro. I know you don't want to hear that, it's horrible, but that's how it is, right? I might as well fucking... let's go with... you know what, I'm gonna go with fucking... Let's go with... Let's go with Melina, screw it, I don't know who the fuck to kill. Let's go with whatever. Yeah, so I'm whooping her ass already. See that? My water kicks, bro. Also, I got, look at this, bros. I got this one. I can still play as this motherfucker. This one as well, as you can see. Pretty dope. Yeah. As you can see, it's made of water. It's a pretty cool character. Yeah, man. Don't blame me, boy. Really. Alright, let's go, Melina. I'm gonna whoop you like a little dog. Eat my jizz. Eat the emotions. Stop sucking me off, bitch. Oh, oh. Come on, oh. Come on. Yeah, come on, little slut. Fucking kitten. Fucking bitch. Fucking. Yeah, come on, man. Come on, hit me. Hit me good, bitch. Come on. Oh. I can uppercut you. Eat that fucking water. Oh, yeah, another one. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Little slut. Oh. Come here. Hey, I like the water, don't you? It's good. That makes me sick as well. Seasick. Oh. This shit makes you seasick, girl. You get seasick, you get the ocean up in your booty cheeks. Oh. Oh, you little dodging slut. I can't wait to grab you. You're just too fast for me, bro. Oh, how do you like that? How do you like this, bitch? I kill you, you little slut. There we go. Water ball. Oh, God. Slice your organs off. Your eyeballs. Oh. Cut your booty cheeks in two. Give me them sexy eyes. Oh, no. Yeah, sweet. And my spitball now, bitch. Fishbowl eyes. Those like fish and shit. Yeah, little slut. Fucking killed her. Fucking killed the bitch. Killed her. Killed her. Oh. Other players come low. I haven't really tried collected. Collected. You know what? I'm gonna go with Rain again. Might as well try Fuji, but I don't know. He's kind of a little. No, I'm gonna go with Rain versus Citrus. I'm gonna sell this shit off. Since they're both water elementals, right? Fuck it. Let's go, bitch. I'll whoop your ass. Good wait. Fucking hell. Alright, you little slut, you ready? Out of the rain. See my ocean power. My ocean, yeah. Ocean, man. Really? Oh, heard that. Let's go. Eat that. Having sentinels is a shit armor guard too, bitch. Smack me as much as you want, I'll fucking smack you. Eat some of this. Ow! Little player I do. Fucking little whore. Ah, my fucking. My tummy tongue. Oh, cut you with this. Oh, stop breaking me, bitch. Get off me. Yeah, you like that. Oh. Oh, suck you in the jaw. Fuck you, or stop working with them tentacles, fucking weird bitch, fucking smack you. Fuck you up with that. Get up. I'm not done kicking your ass. I'm not gonna be done till you die. Oh. Oh. Yeah, get fucking one kick. Oh, like that. Have the project. Oh, wait, I bounce off that. Ah, eat this, bro. Eat some of this. Eat some of that. Fuck you, bitch. Oh. Oh. Ah, stop holding me, man. I'm not even fucking lapdog. Off me, bitch. Done. Okay. Have some motion. Eat the water. Give me them beautiful eyes. No, mine. That's right. Took him. Took him good, man. Took him good. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Beautiful eyes, all mine. Angelic eyes. That's what I want to show you. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, homies.